Good morning, everyone. We are going to be doing day 2 of exponential growth and decay. So I'm going to do one problem from each page to kind of show you how to do each one. And then you are going to finish it up for me. I will post an answer key so you can definitely check your work at the end. So you'll be submitting all of this at the end. So in the equation y equals 1,200 times 1.8 to the x power, what is the beginning population? Remember, that's always the number in front. It's like your y-intercept. So it'll be 1,200 people. In the equation above, is the population increasing or decreasing? That's when you look at the parentheses to your growth or decay factor. Because 1.8 is greater than 1, it is increasing. Because it is exponential growth. In the equation above, what is the rate? Remember, that's when you take 1 minus your rate or your rate minus 1. You just want to make it positive. So 1.8 minus 1 is 0.8, so it's 80%. Again, either one of these would be fine. Make up a situation in which this equation could be model a population. It can be anything you want. In MAWA, the original population in 2000 is 1,200 people, and it is increasing at a rate of 80%. And again, yours does not have to be the same. It just has to have the original population and the rate. So you guys are going to do number 2 on your own. It should be pretty similar. I'm going to jump to number 3. The relationship between the price of gas and the time in months since January 1st, 1999 is represented with this equation. So determine the average rate of change. Remember, this is your fancy word for slope. Your formula will be over here. So for the first 2 months. So again, for the first 2 months, you're first going to plug in 0, and then you're going to plug in 2 to get the average rate of change. So if you plug in 0, you're going to get 1.39, and if you plug in 2, you are going to get, let me grab my calculator, uh, 1.4. And then you just find the slope. So you're going to do y1, you're going to plug in your x2 and y2, and your x1 and y1, just like that. So I'm going to do m equals 1.39 minus 1.4 all over 0 minus 2. And it should be 0.005. And that would be dollars per month. So what does the average rate of change tell you about the price of gasoline? In 2 months, it increased by by a little less than a penny. So not super big, but over time that's only been 2 months, so it would grow exponentially faster. So the rest of this should be very similar. So again, average rate of change, that's your slope. So remember that slope. And everything else looks good here. Again, email me with any questions. I will post the answer key as well. Check your work. Okay, guys? Have a wonderful day.